Everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to use to make the image feed the whole screen like this one. Like for example, what I've just done here, if I can just cut the whole this one and remove and I delete and I run the app, you see that this image become normal. It does not feed the whole screen. So this is what I was trying to show you. I want to try to show you this feed box equals to fill. But there are so many properties. Like if I can just, when I start typing like F, you see a lot of them appear. Or if I can type C, you see we have a lot of them. But in this video we are using that fill. So let me put it back and let me just put it back again. This is what I was just trying to show you guys. So let me just, oh, my computer is too slow. Okay, let me just type this feed box equals to full. So now let me run the app again back. It may not full the whole screen. So this was just a simple thing I was just trying to show you guys. Thank you guys. Love and share this video. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button. Up to then. See you guys. And don't forget to check this app on Google Play Store and Apple Store.